Hello everyone, it's a second episode about my big bore PCP airgun. So I want to tell you a few words about the progress I have made since the first episode. I have made a few parts and so let's start. I have made a air tongue and barrel connection plate, so the air tongue is firmly connected to the rest of the air gun. I have also fabricated a bolt carrier, bolt locking plate. They are ready and mounted together with cocking handle. So this moving assembly is mounted to the linear guide. So as you can see, I have also assembled the parts together with O-rings and silicone grease. So the main part and the plenum are ready. It's still a few parts missing, especially the trigger assembly, which is not done yet, but I am thinking about this, and it's on last stage of design. So I have also bought a AK-47 mount. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too high, but for test purposes, I think it will be okay. I have also bought a big red dot sight, big rifle, big sight. So I hope it will allow to aim properly. So I just want and I wanted to show you the magazine of my AA Challenger Pro and to compare it to my magazine. So as you can see, the difference is very huge. This is also my hammer. They're very heavy hammer spring. It's first stage spring. I hope so. It will go just fine. And I want to show you also the moving parts. So the bolt carrier and the carrier assembly, as you can see, it's on the front position, locked. So I want to unlock it, and it's unlocked. Simply two-stage locking system, and it's locked on. So it works okay. Maybe not very smooth, but I think it will run in after some shooting time. So my magazine, and that's all. So the final stage will be making a trigger mechanism and putting all these things together.